Has your internet stopped working? And is the power DSL light on your router started to flash? That could mean there's a problem with synchronization. What's that? Well, in this video, I'll go through that in a lot more detail. If you've not got an internet connection and your power DSL light is flashing, what that could indicate is you've got what's known as a no sync issue. And no, I don't mean sync as in what you've got in the bathroom. Sync is short for synchronization, which is essentially a handshake that takes place between your router and the exchange. And this is where things like speed are established based upon the quality of your connection. Now, if there's a fault on your line, this could cause your connection to drop. And I don't just mean the line outside your house. Anything all the way up to your router can cause your connection to drop. So there are a number of diagnostic steps that we can do to get you back up online. The first of which is to connect directly into the test socket. Now, if you're unsure of how to do this, click on this link here, where I'll go into that in a lot more detail. Once you've connected into the test socket, if you power cycle the router, check to see if you've come back online. If you're not online and the power DSL light is still flashing, we then need to move on to the next diagnostic step. If the router you're using is one that's been supplied by Zen and is less than 12 months old, this is the only diagnostic step you need to do. So call us on the number below and we'll be more than happy to help. However, if the router you're using is over 12 months old or was not supplied by Zen, the next diagnostic step you're going to need to do is to connect an alternative microfilter into the test socket. Now, you will have already done this step if you've gone from a filtered faceplate into the test socket. Once you've connected up that alternative filter, reboot the router again and then double check your connection. If the internet still has not returned, the next thing we need to look at is trying an alternative RJ11 or DSL cable. This isn't router specific, so you can use one if you've got one from a previous provider. Once you've connected that up, again, reboot the router and test your connection. If the internet still hasn't returned at this point, the final check we're going to do is to try an alternative router. Now, this doesn't have to be a Zen router, because what we're testing for is sync or synchronization. So we're not actually getting any further than the exchange itself. So if you have one from a previous provider, feel free to connect this up, but the only way you'll be able to know if it's worked is by looking at the lights. If you've connected this up and you've still not got a light that represents synchronization and your connection is still down, call us on the number below. We'll be more than happy to help. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, do please click on that like button below. If you want to see more videos like this, do please click on that subscribe button. And until next time, thank you very much.